Welcome back to another Lawn Shark video. And today we are in part 3, I would say, of getting ready for our lawn leveling. So yesterday was the battle of the aerator. It was fun, not really. Don't recommend it, but it has to be done. So it's one of those things that, yes, I recommend it. You should do it. No, I don't recommend doing it yourself if you don't have to. There are companies that will do it for you, but, you know, as DIYers, we just like doing things that cause us pain and great satisfaction all at the same time. So today I'm going to do some cleanup. I'm going to go ahead and mow the lawn real quick. I don't think I need to do much trimming. I'll take a look around and see if I need to do it. But today is more for cleanup so that we have nice clean surface with no debris so that when we put down sand, we're in good shape. I'm also going to do a liquid nitrogen treatment either this afternoon or possibly tomorrow. I need to give that a really good boost of nitrogen, and then also just to prep for the sand. I think I'm either going to start the sand tomorrow afternoon or I may do Friday. I've got a buddy of mine that said he's going to help me. Friday the weather is iffy, so I may have to do at least part of it tomorrow just so I can get things started, and then I'll let him help me with the rest of it. So today is just really a mow and clean up. Oh, and then also I had to move this in the garage just because it was starting to sprinkle. I do not want to get this wet, but this is all of the aeration droppings that I got from the backyard. So I'm gonna sift through all this stuff, get all the organic stuff out of there. It's good dirt. It's a top layer of the topsoil, and I don't want it in the grass because I don't want it turning into a bunch of silver dollar sized plates on there that are gonna cause problems. But it is good dirt, so I'll reuse it. And so we'll be doing that after I mow if I've got some energy. Today is hot, it is humid, and you know, even though I'm just gonna do a quick mow, it's still gonna suck. So stay tuned, and we'll do this quickly, I hope. All right, well, I finished with the cleanup with the mower. I honestly didn't think there was gonna be that much grass, considering I just scalped it a couple days ago. But I filled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 bags of clippings. It's a lot. So we are done with all of this for now. We are going to wait until Friday to do the sand, and I'm hoping the weather holds out. I've got to do nitrogen tomorrow, but for now I think I am done. If you can see, I'm dripping off of my bill cap. I've sweat more in these last 3 days than I have probably combined in the last 2 months. Yesterday when I was done, I actually weighed myself in the morning and I had lost like 5 pounds of water, even though I drank a good, I'd say a good 6 to 8 of those giant Yetis full of water. So I'm hydrating. I'm just not able to keep it down, and I'm just sweating too much of it out. So with that, we are going to call this done, and we'll see you guys in the morning or in the afternoon to do the nitrogen. Stay tuned. We are down to the last step before we start doing the sand leveling of the yard. So we've done aeration, we have scalped the lawn twice, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put down some fertilizer. And what I'm going to be using is this stuff. Now, I've used this before in another video. It's a CX DIY. The big thing that I'm concerned with is the nitrogen. So it's a 24, a little bit of potassium. I don't care about the phosphates at all. So we just want to make sure that we've got a boost going in this lawn right before we bury it in sand, basically. So it's a little hot today. I actually debated whether I should do a liquid or if I should do the granular. Basically what I'm going to do is as soon as I put this stuff down, I am going to drench it in water. Now it looks like it's going to rain a little bit, and that's fine if it does. In fact, I hope it does, but I'm going to water it in any case, no matter what, just to make sure that I don't burn the lawn on top of stressing it out and everything else while it's under all that sand. The last time I used this, I learned a lesson on the Scott's Edge Guard Mini, which is what I have. They said to do a 6, but it actually came out really, really fast. I wasn't planning on using the whole bag. So I'm gonna dial that down a little bit. I'm gonna do a 5 and hope that it goes a little bit further. Technically, this should cover a lot more than what I need, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put it down, and it'll be fine as far as the quantity of nitrogen, as long as I make sure that I keep it wet. So as I put down the sand, I'm just gonna be watering the heck out of this thing, and it should be fine. Folks, well, that's it. Looks like I'm all done, and I literally just beat the rain. I don't know if you can hear it, but it just started coming down as soon as I finished putting down that fertilizer. So perfect timing. I'm probably going to still water it some more because I don't think it's going to be a lot of rain, but we're ready to go. So tomorrow, and there'll be another video, we're going to start putting down the sand. I've got a buddy of mine who said he'd come and help me. He's got a big old John Deere Gator. Going to try and use that, see if that doesn't tear up the grass too badly as we try and spread it out, especially on the hill. It'll give us a little bit of a break. But stay tuned for that next video. And listen, I really do appreciate everybody that's been subscribing lately. I've really appreciated all the support that I get. Man, it's coming down. Really appreciate all the support that I'm getting. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. Comment below if you've got any questions. Comment below if you think putting down granular fertilizer in this heat was a dumb idea, because I partially think the same thing, to be honest with you. But hey, I got lucky, and we've got a nice shower going on right now, and that's a good thing. And if you like these videos, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified of the next videos as they come out. So with that, I'll catch you on the next one. See you guys.